Bike lanes, while intended to enhance the safety of cyclists, can sometimes be unsafe due to a variety of factors. Here are some reasons why bike lanes may not be safe and potential ways to address these issues. Reasons why bike lanes may not be safe. 1. Poor design and maintenance. Narrow lanes, insufficient width can make it difficult for cyclists to navigate safely, especially when passing others. Debris and potholes. Lack of maintenance can lead to accumulation of debris, potholes, and uneven surfaces. Inadequate separation. Minimal or no physical barriers between bike lanes and car lanes can lead to cars encroaching on bike lanes. 2. Intersections and crossings. Conflict points. Intersections are common points of conflict between cyclists and motorists, often leading to accidents. Right turns by cars. Cars turning right across bike lanes can cut off cyclists, leading to collisions. Dooring. Parked cars. Cyclists riding next to parked cars risk being struck by car doors opening unexpectedly. 4. Visibility and signage. Poor signage. Inadequate signage can make it unclear to both cyclists and motorists where bike lanes are and how they should be used. Blind spots. Poorly designed bike lanes can put cyclists in motorists' blind spots, especially at intersections. 5. Shared spaces. Bus stops. Bike lanes that run alongside bus stops can create dangerous interactions between cyclists and passengers boarding or alighting from buses. Shared paths. Multi-use paths shared with pedestrians can lead to conflicts and accidents. How bike lanes can be fixed. 1. Improved design. Wider lanes. Ensure bike lanes are wide enough to accommodate safe passing. Protected bike lanes. Use physical barriers such as curbs, bollards, or planters to separate bike lanes from car traffic. Continuous lanes. Design bike lanes to be continuous and predictable, avoiding sudden merges with car lanes. 2. Better intersection treatments. Bike boxes. Provide advanced stop lines for cyclists at intersections to improve visibility and reduce conflict with turning vehicles. Dedicated signals. Implement bicycle-specific traffic signals to manage cyclist movement separately from cars. 3. Maintenance. Regular cleaning and repair. Establish regular schedules for clearing debris, fixing potholes, and maintaining lane markings. Snow and ice removal. Ensure bike lanes are cleared of snow and ice in winter months. 4. Enhanced visibility. High visibility markings. Use bright, reflective paint for lane markings and install adequate lighting. Clear signage. Install clear and abundant signage to indicate bike lanes and remind motorists to watch for cyclists. 5. Education and enforcement. Public awareness campaigns. Educate both cyclists and motorists on the rules and safe practices for using bike lanes. Enforcement. Implement and enforce laws against parking in bike lanes and other infractions that endanger cyclists. 6. Shared space management. Dedicated spaces. Where possible, create dedicated spaces for cyclists, pedestrians, and public transit to minimize conflicts. Safe design for bus stops. Design bus stops to ensure safe interactions between cyclists and bus passengers, such as floating bus stops with bike lanes running behind them. By addressing these factors, bike lanes can become safer and more effective, encouraging more people to cycle and promoting a healthier, more sustainable mode of transportation.